Guys, this is the 22-piece set Workpro Ratcheting Wrench Set. This comes in SAE and metric, and this has that black coating, and the sizes are etched onto the individual wrenches themselves as well as on the box. This is nice because you're getting a nice hard plastic box with these, so when you're done you can put them back in. And I'm going to show you the end here. You can see the clear etching. That one says it's the 18 millimeters, and the end is going to flex. I think this has a flex head with 180 degrees, so you can get into tight different spots. And again, this has SAE and metric, so if you get the 22-piece set, you're getting the SAE on one side and the metric on the other. This does come with the smaller sizes as well. So this is a pretty nice set. I do like the finish on these also. These have a nice black finish, so they're not going to really get scratched up when you use these, and you can just pop them back on in the box here. So a nice wrench set, and it comes with a little piece of felt that you can put in between when you're closing these up so you won't be scratching them up. But again, a nice wrench set from Workpro. These have been doing pretty well if you look at the ratings as well, and I would recommend this, guys.